Hello guys, it's been so long that I have uploaded any videos, but now I'll post these informative videos on regular basis. So today I am just showing to you what is there inside the IBM welcome kit. We know that IBM is a big organization, but it has several divisions like ISL, IRL or GBS we can say. But out of this, I am basically showing you the IBM ISL welcome kit. ISL is basically IBM Software Lab. So it's a kind of a elite group in the IBM organization, and most of the IBM products are built within ISL division only. So it also consists research, data and robotics related projects. So we can say that it is a major division of the IBM and a prestigious division of the IBM. So I am just going to show you what the things that are inside the welcome kit. So this water bottle, where this IBM will be mentioned, and it is kind of cool bottle. It looks good, so you can use this bottle in office as well as at your home. So this you will get. Other than this, you will get this kind of diary where it is mentioned that IBM. It's good diary actually. You can see good pages. So you will get this diary. Then you will get this pen inside your welcome kit. So this will be your pen, and after that you will get Lenovo ThinkPad. Actually, most of the people will get this Lenovo ThinkPad only, but if you want, you can ask your manager and you can get the Mac also. So this is basically ThinkPad you will get. So this is T14 series of ThinkPad, you can see here, and along with this ThinkPad you will get this bag where you can put all these things. So this is your bag. So you will get this thing: a bag, a water bottle, a laptop, a pen and a diary. So basically this was a very small video, but from now onwards I'll put videos on regular basis. So hope you guys like it. Subscribe it. Okay, thanks. Bye.